Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to enable developer option in your Samsung M31s. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you need to jump over in your device settings section. After click over there, scroll down all the way down, you will find here something called about phone. You need to click over there. After click over the about phone, you need to click here software information. After click over software information, you will find here something called valid number. So you need to click here 7 times to enable developer. You can see it's saying developer mode has been enabled. If I go back, I will see, I'll notice in my phone now it's appear developer option. So this is how we can easily enable developer option in your Samsung M31s. So if you want to disable it, you can do again developer option and you can turn it off. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.